Hi guys, welcome to Tenda. This is Mike, the product manager of Tenda. Welcome to our new channel. We create this new channel is to communicate with our partners and the end users. So in future, we're going to upload more and more videos, which is for introducing our new products to use. So today we're going to introduce our new products, which is called the G0-8G-PoE. So actually, this is an enterprise router, and actually it supports two work models: work as router or work as access controller. And what's the difference compared with the normal enterprise router is this one actually supports PoE throughout. So, which means this router can use in more kind of scenarios. For example, in some typical surveillance solution, you need one gateway, connect to one PoE switch, connect to the MVR and IP camera. But if you're using this PoE enterprise router, you can save the switch. You can connect this, you can make it work as a router and connect to the IP camera directly. And on the other hand, you can use this to bench configuration the access point. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. Let's do this unboxing. So first you can see this is the front side of the box. As you can see, they have a logo, and this is certificate, and they have a label mentioned. Okay, what's the model name? What some basic features it has. For them, as you can see here, it has the line RAM, and they have 3-in-1 means actually this one can work as a router, work as access point controller, and work as PoE switch. Then if you look at the side of the box, you will see they have a small label. In there, mentioned one QR code. So we take a notice this one because this router is a cloud managed router. So on our CloudFi application, this cloud management application called CloudFi. If you open this CloudFi and use your camera to scan this QR code, you are easy to get the basic information of this router, and you are able to bind your account with this router. And here you can also see they have some version number and this MAC address and SN code. This is also important when in the future you are facing any problem with this device and you are going to request one RMA or anything. You have to provide this SN code to us. That supports us are able to find if this device is bought from our authenticated distributor or from official channel. Okay, now we're going to unboxing. Okay, first with this box you will see, okay, we have this quick installation guidebook. And then this adapter, so you can see actually they have a little big adapter. Actually, I will perfect call this a converter because this device also supports PoE output, and this device supports in totally 110 watts. So it should have this kind of big adapters. And then this is the device itself. As you can see, actually this one has in total 9 ports, and 8 ports of it is the PoE ports, supports from 50 watts to maximum 30 watts. And then this one is 1 port. In the back side, this one is this power slot. This is for the ground line. And also we have some of these accessories. Okay, so first is connect this device to the internet. First we will power on this device. See, it actually start lighting. And then we're going to connect this device to the internet. So as you can see, this one has in total 9 ports, and 8 ports is PoE port. So this is the PoE port, and this 3 ports you can use it as a WAN ports or LAN ports as you wish. And this 4 ports, this 5 ports is the pure LAN port. So let's connect to the internet. And in the bottom, you will see they have a label mentioned was the default login IP address. Okay, so first I will going to introduce the first scenario when you don't have a wireless router in your working area or home. Then you can use a wire connection, connects this router to your laptop to get internet. Okay, now that I get internet. Test. So as you can see, it's been getting the internet properly. Okay, next we're going to introduce a second scenario. So we're using this enterprise router to power this auto CPU. This all it is the 116 auto CPU. It's called P3000. You can start lighting. Now this will open this Wi-Fi button. We'll go to Wi-Fi next. Okay, this Wi-Fi is showing. Now connecting to this is Wi-Fi. Okay, so now we're going to introduce we have requirements from the installer or SI, the competitive culture. So actually our this enterprise router supports these features. So in next I will introduce how to do configuration. First we go to the browser. Will access this login interface, and here you can put your password. So they have a default password, then you find it in the bottom label. Now is the configuration page you can see. So first we go to this application. Here you can create one virtual customization. You can select the logo you want to put, and here it has the background image. So you have a default background image, and you can choose which. Maybe you have some specific image you want to use, so you can select from your PC. And here we have arranged the URL, and you can put the promotional URL you want. And in turn, you can use my service. Go to authentication tab. Here you have to add one tab. So you can choose to fill SMS, email account. Here we will choose random code. This random code actually, I believe you're really very familiar. You're going to a coffee shop, you buy a coffee. The counter will give you a very small sticker. On the sticker is will write a series of number. So once you have connected the coffee shop's public Wi-Fi, so it will like redirect you to one voucher, and it requires you to put authentication code. So this is a random code. So policies. Here we select virtual application, which we have just created. Save. Then you can go to the account, and here they have a random code account. And here you can add the number name. We can create 10 random code. Okay, here. And here you have to put the value, the valid period. So please notice, if you put 0 means there's no limit. Put 0 means there's no limit. So now you are connected to the internet. So suppose we are now using this Wi-Fi, because as you can see, we have this wire connection connected our router or access point. So now I'm using our laptop to connect to this access point, this Wi-Fi. So now we're removing this lamp port and connect to Wi-Fi. As you can see now, our laptop was automatically direct to this compatible project, and it requires us to put the random code. And now we can enjoy it. Just now we have shown what kind of scenarios these products can be used and some basic configurations like the compatible portrait. So I believe you have already realized that these products can be used in multiple scenarios, such as the hospital, lab camp, school, and coffee shop, and even more places. So thank you for watching, and if you want to get more configuration guide, you can search our official account on YouTube, which the name is Tenda G0-8G-PoE. If you like this video, please like, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.